Hello, here is the story of my cervical spine issues. I never had any neck surgery prior to the cervical ESP implanted at C5-6. I had pain in the sides of my neck, traps, shoulders, and pain down my left arm and into my thumb, pointer, and middle finger. I had a difficult time tipping my head back to shave or look up at things, and had some difficulty concentrating, as well as occasional headaches. I had a bad herniation that impinged the spinal cord and a large osteophyte at the C5-6 level. I had some other bulges, but was assured by more than a dozen surgeons, including the ESP surgeons, my pain originated from C5-6 level. I was told I was a good candidate for the ESP ADR. I'm roughly 5 years post-op now. After the prosthesis was implanted, I immediately noticed the tingling in my finger was gone, as well as pain down the left arm. I was also able to mildly tip my head back to shave without discomfort. The movement of my neck felt a bit off for the first 6 months. It felt like the ESP prosthesis wasn't moving in harmony with my vertebrae. It may have had trouble bonding initially. The movement eventually seemed to feel normal after the first year had passed. I was hopeful the pain in my neck, traps, and shoulders would go away with physical therapy over time. It never did and still remains. Turning my head in any direction is usually painful. My neck constantly pops and cracks with movement now. I am once again getting pain in my upper left arm. When storms move in or there are big swings in barometric pressure, the pain greatly intensifies. On my most recent CT myelogram, there are some holes forming in the vertebrae around the cervical ADR and bone growing on the posterior sides of the vertebrae above and below the ADR. I am also getting intermittent headaches and have a hard time concentrating when the pain is bad. Again, I was never told or shown these holes were forming, or that they may also be a sign of osteolysis or cysts developing around the ADR. I was also never warned this may happen. Thank you for your time and listening.